Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you, and I'm going to take you through the daily update of the top 5 gainers of the screener. Today, of course, our session or our update is for the 9th of July, which is Friday, and the setting as usual is 10,000 shares, $10,000 and 3,000 shares per trade, and commission for my trader for calculation is 3.95. Our stop loss is always 3% from our entry, and our take profit is 7% from the entry point. Now, it doesn't matter as usually, it doesn't matter what is the color of the day. The most important thing here is to have the opportunities captured. The opportunities are here during our daily trading or during the live, the market, and for the subscribers, the live streaming. You will see the opportunities and you can tell where to enter and where not to enter. So this is not to justify that this is a red day, but just to look into, out of all these, the work here, our intention here is to highlight the top possibilities that we can make profit out of. And we have seen frequently or continuously what is the performance of the screener. So for example, let us, before we take the top 5, let us take anyone, pick up and choose. Let us say this one, VINO. It's a losing trade. When you look into it, here it is very, very attractive, and here is the entry. But when you look at the entry point, you will find it here. And if you are a follower to our strategy, you will know that this is not an entry point, being all this far away from your moving averages and the weighted volume, the volume weighted average as also. So this is not an entry, so it will not really be considered as a losing entry. Whereas, let us start with our top 5. You will see here that Mtsl is happening at this position after consolidation and going along the moving averages. So this is an opportunity that we enter, and obviously we make profit out of. Okay, so here Mtsl in 2 minutes only gave us 7%, equivalent to $989.10. And this is one of our swing stocks of the week, and we hit already our target, or we reached our target of 30%, and it made 100% from our entry, but 60% was only on Friday. So congrats, really, who really made profit out of this. Okay, moving to HALL, yes. See also on the daily how it made a very excellent candle, and see here, excellent entry, not far away from the moving averages. Actually, the most perfect place really is to come here after the consolidation, the long consolidation, but it did not appear on our screener, so it appeared first time here, and this is good entry. Maybe when somebody see this one, should wait really until it tests the moving averages and it forms a basis here. So this took long time actually. This took 3 hours almost to make our 70%, which is from 4.70 to 5.03. That's $987. Okay, moving now to GUPW and see how is the performance here. Excellent one, really. And you can see here where it gave you the entry, and then it consolidated all the way, and then when it started to explode, it gave you your profit of 7% in 3 hours. Usually our trades are between 5 to 15 minutes, as you can see here, and the coming one here, but today it is taking longer time. But that's not a problem as long as we are controlling our stop loss and take profit. Okay, so GUPW made 7% from 4.11 to 4.40, which is equivalent to $863.10. Next one is CLWT, and it has good history of similar performance, giving the spikes, so that's a good indication that this is a good entry. And the most interesting thing really is where you entered. See the consolidation, hours of consolidation, then the explosion. For the expert traders who've been with us maybe from the past 6 months, I think the expert traders can easily make about 20% out of this. So this is your 7% and another easily 10% also from this point all the way to the top. So it made in 3 minutes, let's say, it made $827.40, which is 7% from our entry point. Now, moving to last but not least, and similar pattern also for the last one, and it took 1 hour and about 1 hour and 10 minutes. But see the entry. Now this is MDIA, and it made 7% from 3.76 to 4.02, and here is the signal. See how perfect is the entry, and within 1 hour and 10 minutes it made your profit. So overall we've had a very, very perfect week, and although we had a very tough day on yesterday, but it's not a problem as long as we are winning. Now let us see how was our performance. And let us look particularly on the swing trades. Now OLB appeared to us, and let us look on the daily, and let us take this one as well. So OLB is so far doing good, as it is. Okay, it is taking time, but okay, OLB we entered in 5.68, and now the maximum is not 610 anymore. It is now, where are you? It is now at 6.43. So we are going in the right direction. For Mtsl, This is not working well. Mtsl. We made the 100% as we talked. We elaborated about the Mtsl. So it is 6.44 and our entry was 3.35, so our 100% is already there. Almost 35. No, we are 30 cents away from our 100%. KRBP did not do that much. Actually, I was expecting that, because if you look into the chart, you will tell why it was not supposed to be. But we entered at 4.84, and I think the lowest, which was our predetermined stop loss, was 4.26. so I think we are okay. I think we are not okay in this one. I think we are about to hit the stop loss, if not already done. Okay, so we will be now like 17%, 100%, and minus 10. Okay, the third one is still ELTK is as you can see, no, sorry. ELTK is above 6.52 and the maximum it made was 7.18, but still we are not in exit, in stop loss. For the long, we don't put our targets as 7 and 3. We put it for take a profit as 30 and as a stop loss of at 10, as you can see here. So we did not hit the stop loss here. This one will be updated, of course, in the morning for our subscribers, of course, and results will be reflected here. Okay, that was our update for this session and for the week. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like what we present here, please give us a thumb up, like, and subscribe. If you have any comments, please contact us, and always be in touch, and promise will be always at your side. Thank you very much, and have a nice and wonderful weekend. Bye bye for now.